Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to learn about the tiny planet. Yes, the tiny planet that is over the Instagram. It's getting popular and everything, but guess what? If you are a Mavic Air owner, you actually can do the tiny planet in a breeze. So at first, select your location. So for example, I just want to be on top of that star and I want a tiny planet around it. Then you go to quick shot. So for example, you have to go to intelligent modes and then you go to quick shot and press quick shot. Now on that's the mode which is called the asteroid mode. So basically you draw a box around you, and after you're done, just press go. Within 3 seconds, Mavic Air starts to do the wonder, which means that first it actually pans to the top. Once it reaches that distance, as you can see, the distance is climbing up to be 22, 20, 29, 30, probably 35, 36. That's a good height though, 40 meters. And after that, the software is so cool is that it takes a bunch of panorama images. So you'll see your camera actually panning in and out. It's gonna go crazy, but don't worry about it. Just relax. Like look around, do whatever you want, but don't get away from that position that you are in. You can, but I would not recommend. Just let it do its own thing. Don't worry about it. Once all these panos are done, Mavic Air actually stitches everything. So basically what it does is that it will stitch all that images that it shot, and the coolest part is that it is going to return back to that same location it came from. How cool is that? So it's not going to stay on the top, it actually comes down. Now you can see it actually descends. Watch this. So it actually descends, and it says that quick shot has ended. Aircraft is flying back to its location. And there you go. That's it. It has reached your location. How cool is that? Now let me show you the footage right now, and you can see how awesome is the footage.